So the very first one that I've got for you is a countdown timer for emails. So you've probably seen countdown timers on websites for things like events, counting down to an event coming up or the expiry of a promotion or an offer that you might have. And typically you'll find them around Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but we do have end of financial year coming up. So countdown timers are great for the EFI sales or end of financial year sales. I've just started to see some of those pop up now, so it's getting closer to it. One of the problems is how do you get a countdown into email? So that is more difficult. It's difficult to get apps that will do that, but this particular one will. So you can have an image in your email, so it could be just your normal promotional email. You might pop a countdown timer at the top of it or at the bottom of it, or you can have what's called a GIF image in your email. So a GIF image looks like a video. It's not a video. It moves like a video, but it's not. And people click on it and then they can go through to your video. So you can have a countdown timer for, sort of around a video as well too. So all of those help with engagement. So with this particular app called MotionMail, this one here can embed a camera into your mail. So I've actually logged in at the moment. I'll show you how it works. And I've got a couple of timers in here already pre-set up from when I've used it before. So all you do is you can see it's in small writing at the moment, but I've got two timers in there. Use one for Christmas time. But to create a timer, there's a button there that says create new timer. You can give the timer a name. So I call it my promotion. You can set the date, so the end date. So let's say it's going to end on May the 4th, and it's going to end at 6:20 p.m. You set your time zone as well. So that's really important. You set the time zone you're in. So we're in one of the Australian time zones. I'll select Brisbane because that's close enough to where I am. You can set your language as well. So it comes in a range of different languages. So I'll leave it there as English. And then you can even do things like set the colors. So you can create the timers in the colors that you would like and ones that match your brand. So if we hit save, now that'll save the timer. So here's where all the magic happens. You can use the timer and embed it into your website, but we're looking to embed it. And here is the code here. So there's a piece of code that if you click the copy, let me just increase the size of my screen. Whoop. Increase the size of my screen so hopefully you can see that. All right, so there's the code that you copy, and so it's for your website. To embed it into email, there's a link below it. If you click that link below it, how to embed it into email, that gives you the instructions on how to do it. So you can, and there's a range there. So I happen to use Gmail, which is Google Workspace. And so this is where it gives you those instructions, and you can see here it says paste, or there's a little piece of code here. So this is what it's saying is your timer. This is the your Google Workspace email where you insert photos or insert images. So you put the link to the timer in where you'd normally put an image. So and each of the platforms do it differently. So if you just go to that page there with the instructions on what sort of email client that you've got, then you can pick the one that's going to work best for you. So if you're using a CRM, there's CRMs in there like MailerLite, MailChimp, Klaviyo, GetResponse, ConvertKit. So they've got them for a lot of the major CRMs as well too. So effectively what it is there is a link in here. I'm going to highlight it so you can see it. So it's that https:// and then there's that link. If you want to embed it into email, you copy that particular link there, and that's where, like if you're using Google Mail, which I do, that's where you post it into the images, where you upload the images in Google Mail. But again, all of those platforms will have instructions on how to do that. But a very handy feature if you want to include a countdown in your email for promotions that you've got running or events that you've got happening. This is a very handy tool, and it's free. So, which is another good thing. So that app there is called MotionMailApp.com. That's another of our cool online tools. If you'd like to discover more online tools, apps, strategies, programs that'll help you in your business, go to the Smash Go YouTube channel and go and subscribe there. You'll find a ton of valuable information, interviews, guest speakers, webinars, and programs to really help you in your business. And of course, if you'd like to find out more about how we can help you with your digital marketing and with your online presence, go to smashgo.co and shoot through an inquiry there, or just go and have a look and see what's available for you. I'm Nick Cree, and I'm the host of the Business Owners Smashing It Online webinar and podcast series.